Interviews are not just about knowledge, they're about confidence, clarity, and communication. Welcome to interviewsupport-ai.com, your smart AI-powered live interview support partner designed to help you to provide best answer to crack your interview. Whether you're applying for digital marketing manager, software developer, HR executive, or any other role, Interview Support AI helps you structure powerful answers. No guesswork, no panic, just structured, confident answers. Let's see how you can get started. 1. Open Google and search interviewsupport-ai.com. 2. Click on the official website. 3. On the top right corner, click the blue button that says Download Free. 4. The download will begin automatically. The file will be downloaded in your Windows 11 system with the name Windows Transform Setup.exe. If a blue pop-up appears, click More Info. Then click Run Anyway. 8. Click on Install. 9. Wait for the installation to complete. Click Finish. And that's it. Interview Support AI is now installed on your PC or laptop. Now, let's personalize your interview preparation. 1. Open the application. 2. Enter your email address. 3. Click Login Sign Up. After login, fill in job title, skill set, preferred coding language, job description, and upload your resume. Once everything is filled in, click the blue Start Session button. Wait a few seconds while your session gets validated. Now here's where the magic begins. When a practice question is asked, the platform captures the audio, processes the question instantly, generates a structured, professional answer, like this. Interview question: how do you develop a digital marketing strategy from scratch for any brand? To view the suggested response, click the orange Answer button on the top left. You will receive a clear introduction, a structured explanation, practical examples, a confident closing statement. Stop walking into interviews unprepared. Start practicing like a professional. Download Interview Support AI today and turn every interview into an opportunity.